Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can get ahead of 99% of people. Are you tired of feeling like you're not making progress in your personal or professional life? Do you want to stand out from the crowd and achieve your goals? Well, you're in the right place. Here are 6 tips to help you get ahead of 99% of people. Tip 1. Set clear goals. The first step towards achieving success is to set clear goals. Write down your goals and create an action plan to achieve them. Having a clear direction will help you stay focused and motivated. Tip 2. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is essential to stay ahead of the curve. Read books, attend seminars, and take courses to improve your skills and knowledge. This will make you more valuable to employers and help you achieve your goals. Tip 3. Time management. Effective time management is key to productivity. Prioritize your tasks and focus on what is important. Avoid distractions and procrastination to make the most of your time. Tip 4. Networking. Networking is a powerful tool for career growth. Attend industry events and conferences, connect with people on LinkedIn, and join professional organizations. Networking can help you find new job opportunities and build valuable relationships. Tip 5. Take risks. Taking calculated risks can lead to big rewards. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things. Failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. Tip 6. Hard work. Hard work is key to success. Be willing to put in the time and effort to achieve your goals. Be disciplined and persistent in your efforts. By following these 6 tips, you can differentiate yourself from the majority and get ahead of 99% of people. Remember, success is not achieved overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and persistence. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. We'll see you in the next one.